welcome back one more time to Cooking with Gloria. I'm Gloria and today I am making for you banana muffins. They come out soft and very delicious that I know that you and your family will love and will enjoy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I have 2 ripe bananas, 1 egg, baking soda, cinnamon, salt, vegetable oil, sugar, all-purpose flour, and I am ready to start with this recipe. So let's get started. I am going to start with my dry ingredients. And I always love to just sift my dry ingredients for all my baking tips. Okay, I'm adding my all-purpose flour, my sugar, my baking soda, cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of salt, and I am ready to sift it. I like to sift it just in case we have little granules of sugar or cinnamon or even flour. We want these muffins nice and soft. As you can see, we have leftovers of granules of sugar, and that's what we don't want in our muffins. Okay, everything is nice and sifted. Now I'm going to start with my wet ingredients. I'm going to start by adding my bananas. And I'm going to smash them with a fork. It doesn't take too long because the banana is already very ripe and soft. For this recipe, I am using 3 bananas. Okay, we want to smash them really good. To this mixture, we're going to add our vegetable oil and our egg. When you do banana muffins or banana bread, just make sure that your banana is nice and ripe. I'm going to add my egg. And I'm going to add my vegetable oil. And we're going to mix everything in here completely. I'm not using my stand mixer because for this recipe, you don't need the stand mix. Okay, I am ready to add it to my dry ingredients. Okay. This is where we don't want to over mix. So we're just going to get a spatula and incorporate all this delicious banana. This is a very thick batter. Let me show it to you. Look, this is a very, very thick batter. It's not a runny batter. Okay, I am ready to put it on my muffin container. So I'll see you back in a little bit. I am ready to spray my muffin container just to make sure that they don't stick while they are in the oven. I have turned my oven on 350 Fahrenheit they're gonna cook for about 30 to 45 minutes. Every oven is different, but you know how to check it. We need to put a toothpick in the center of the muffin. If it comes out clean, they are ready. With this recipe, we got 12 muffins. I am ready to put them in the oven, and I'll see you back in about 30 to 45 minutes. I am taking my muffins out of the oven. They were in there for 35 minutes. How do we know when they are completely done? You put a toothpick in the center. If it comes out clean, then they are ready. I'm gonna let them rest for at least 10 minutes, and then I'll see you because I can't wait to taste these delicious banana muffins. My friends, I am ready. I am done with my banana muffins. They came out so nice and fluffy. They look delicious. But this is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward tasting my recipe. I have added a little bit of whipped cream and sliced bananas, but I am so ready to taste this muffin. Let's see how it came out. It's so soft from the inside. It's just, look how soft it is from the inside. This is just delicious. Okay, let me try it and I'll tell you exactly how it came out. I wish you were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. Very soft. You could really taste the banana and the cinnamon combined together. It's delicious. And of course, with a little bit of whipped cream, even better. Excuse me. This came out perfect. Thank you so much for watching my video. Put pushing play to this video, from watching my video from start to end. If you liked and loved my video, please don't forget to subscribe. Give me thumbs up. Share my video on social media. Don't forget to push the notification bell so every time I make a new recipe, yes, you are notified. Thank you so much for giving me your time. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best, peace and love. And I will stay enjoying my banana muffin. Bye-bye.